At Lucid, our engineers work on a massive and complex code base. Engineers frequently face difficult technical challenges and need input on the best way to build something. We want to encourage that collaboration and be sure engineers can get feedback from technical experts, especially for bigger, more complex projects. So our engineering teams use Lucid products to hold architecture reviews. We do these multiple times a week. The engineer who needs input provides context around the project. They show us the current state and indicate where there are challenges or questions. They also include various theories on possible solutions. So when we hold the actual architectural review meeting, technical experts all have the same information. They can drop in sticky notes and make comments and make suggestions in real time during the architectural review. The boards that we create help really guide the discussion and help us move quickly towards the right solutions. They also become reference material for the actual work product for future sprints. They're sort of a formal way for us to help engineers make sense of the complex systems. But there's also the more informal version of this that happens really hundreds of times a day across our entire department. For example, I might be having a Slack conversation with another engineer about something that we're building. Things get more technical, more complex, and we see that we're starting to talk past each other, not really understanding what the other person's trying to say. But when we stop and the engineer spends maybe just 5 minutes making a diagram in Lucid, it's instantly clear what we're talking about and what we need to do to get to the right solution. Something that seemed complicated becomes so much more simple when it's visualized in Lucid. So whether it's an architecture review or these daily discussions, our engineers are using Lucid to get everyone aligned and on the same page, make sense of complex systems, and guide discussions that get us to the right technical solutions faster.